house today, a yellow sun that wants to play. Colors here, colors there, super duper colors everywhere. Red, blue, green, and yellow too. Let's find the colors, me and you. Blue fish swims in a bubbly sea. It winks and laughs at a big green tree. What's hiding in the tree so tall? An orange bird with a funny call. Colors here,